I'm not racist. All right, put your hands together. Welcome on stage a hyperactive person, hyperactive Drishti. Where's hyperactive Drishti?
Hi. Say hi. 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 Okay. I'm Drishti. Shit, it's actually damn right. I thought they were making it up. Anyways, hi, I'm Drishti. I'm studying in Jain College. Well, studying. Oh, well, you know, this horrible disaster struck Uttarakhand where the media states that Narendra Modi rescued 15,000 Gujaratis. Okay, I don't understand. Okay, that's a good thing, but I don't understand how he did it. 15,000 Gujaratis only. Like, did he check their evacuation kits for dhokla and thepla and be like, okay, you can go on board if you have dhokla in your, or did he like get their janam patris? Laugh, no yaar. It's a joke, laugh. Or did he get their janam patris and be like, ek line mein khade raho, janam pati dikhado? Or I don't know, you know, or did he just openly discriminate like, okay, you're too shiny and Sindhi, so you can't get in. Or you're too good looking to be Gujarati. I don't know, you know. I don't know. I'm a Gujarati. but, but yeah, I mean, talking about Sindhis, you know, I'm actually happy that they inspired this good thing that happened. Rihanna came to Bombay, and 2 weeks later, she releases her song Shine Bright Like a Diamond. Well, who else could have inspired that but Sindhis? No, who else? Or maybe Edward from Twilight. That. Well, anyways, talking about actually, you know, I was in New York last week, and this guy comes up to me and says, "Hey, what if your left leg was Thanksgiving and your right leg was Christmas? Could I visit you in between for the holidays?" Ah, so have some sympathy and give that to him. But trust me, these pickup lines do not work in India. The other day, this guy came up to me trying to be original and said, "What if your left leg is Gokulashtami and your right leg is Ganesh Chaturthi? Could I visit you in between for a vacation party?" Anyway, you know, all these, you know, I watch a lot of TV and all these girls doing all these sexy things, and there's just 10,000 guys just behind them, you know. And I was like, dude, I gotta do that. I've been single for 1.5 years, you know. So I was like, okay, you know, whatever. So I saw this scene where this really hot girl in a really hot black car, she's looking at this cute guy across the road, and she gives him this really sexy look, and she puts up her power window, and she goes off, and then he's like hers for life. So I was like, you know what, how hard could that be? I'd do it. So I was at Bhandup station, and I was in my vehicle, and I saw this cute guy across the road. I don't know how I found the cute guy at Bhandup station, but I did. So I looked at him across the road, and my window was down, and I gave him my sexy look, which is, "This is my sexy look. How'd you like me now?" Well, and then according to the plan, I reached out to put out the window, but I realized I was at the back of a cab. So there was no power window. So I was like, okay, G, don't panic. We can do this, okay? So I tried to do this in the most subtle way possible. So I reached my hand out. I'm still looking at him with that face. And I go, push up, push up, push up, push up, push up. Shit. Okay. That was so much hard work, and it didn't work for me. I don't know why. You should have fallen for me. The sexy look worked, you know. Anyways, you know, I'm 18 and I love shopping. So when I'm not doing anything productive in my life, I'm shopping. So basically, most of my time, I'm shopping. But you know, I'm Gujarati and a little dyslexic, like really. So I don't know how to pronounce brand names, and I'm not that brand conscious either, you know. But I learned this trick. You say the brand name how you think it's supposed to be pronounced, but you say it with swag. Like, there's Chamber, okay? Have you tried the new Chamber Kajal? It's just beautiful. It looks so cosmetic. And then there's Versace. I use only Versace perfume. And honey, can I finish it? Can I finish it?
Give it up, hyperactive Drishti. All right, whoever comedians are left, that's why we have warning light at 3.5, so you know your last joke. This is the time for last joke. All right, next.